Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group. Class, as you know, yesterday we have completed explanation of our chapter and also we have completed exercise. So class, today we will move forward to our next work in notebook. So today we will do activity. First you mention the date. Very important thing. Date is very important thing. So you should write the date first. Okay. After that mention the heading activity. Okay, in bold. After that, in next line, everybody write the draw the picture of Robin Hood. Okay, and you have to draw the picture of Robin Hood. Everybody have seen in your book, you all have seen in your book the picture of Robin Hood. If you are unable to uh, draw it, then paste. Okay, yes, then yes, draw or paste whatever you want. Okay, so everybody draw the colorful picture of Robin Hood. If you paste it, then before pasting you all will color the picture. Okay, and then paste. So your activities, your today's activity of this chapter is draw the picture of Robin Hood. And class, listen very carefully. Before starting the chapter, you will do the activity before starting the chapter. As I have seen in last chapter that you some students have done the activity after completing the chapter, but you all will start your activity with बिफोर चैप्टर. ओके, जो आपको एक्टिविटी करनी है वो पहले चैप्टर से करनी है. पहले आप चैप्टर में एक्टिविटी ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, उसके बाद आप चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो योर टुडेज वर्क इज ड्रॉ picture. Next you can see, now we will start our chapter and everybody only use black color. Class, listen very carefully. Your work should be very proper, systematic and neat and clean. Writing should be very neat and clean. Everybody write in very clear writing. Okay, next come to the next page and everybody mention the date. 25/8/2020, it's today's date. Then write the thought. First you put an inverted comma and then write we should help the poor people like Robin Hood. हम लोगों को पुअर पीपल की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. कैसे? जैसे रॉबिन हुड करता है, करनी चाहिए जैसे कि रॉबिन हुड करता है. ठीक है, सो वी शुड हेल्प द पुअर पीपल लाइक रॉबिन हुड. आफ्टर राइटिंग द थॉट, एवरीबडी मेक अंडरलाइन विथ black sketch color. Then write the chapter number. Okay, chapter 6 and then write the heading. As you can see, I have written the heading in bold. First letter of Robin R in capital, first letter of Hood in capital H, first letter of meets M write in capital, and first letter of stranger S write in capital. So everybody write the first alphabet of each word in capital. So our chapter is Robin Hood meets a stranger. After that, make underline. Then who is the writer of the chapter? Written by Bernard Miles. So as you can see that I have written W in capital, B in capital and M in capital. So listen very carefully. First you write the thought, then make underline, then chapter number, underline. Robin Hood meets a stranger, underline, that means title of the chapter, and then writer of the chapter, and then make underline. Now come to the heading. What do we do first? So before it we have completed our chapter in same manner, and this time we will complete our chapter in same manner as we have done some changes after the PT1 test. Okay, आपको पता है PT1 के बाद मैंने थोड़े चेंजेस किए हैं हाफ ईयरली में. So this is the new pattern. So first you all write difficult words with their meaning. Okay, and synonym. Everybody knows synonym is पर्यायवाची. Meaning is related to your chapter. Okay, here is given one difficult word and its meaning related to the chapter, but synonym are the same word related to your word, related to your meaning, but it is not always that it is related to your chapter. Okay, the synonyms are known as in Hindi you can say पर्यायवाची. So there are all word have more than one meaning. हर word का एक से ज़्यादा meaning होता है. So as a synonym we write the meaning. Okay, सिनोनिम मीन्स सेम मीनिंग, उसी का और मीनिंग जो निकलता है. सो first we write the heading difficult word with their meaning and synonym, then underline, then write the first heading serial number, word, meaning, synonym, and then make a line. Okay, after that write number one serial number. First, our first difficult word is outlaw. Outlaw means a lawless person. Outlaw means a lawless person. A lawless person, synonym of lawless person is exile or robber. Exile and robber. Okay, next one is number second is patrols. Patrols means keep watch an area by regular walking. As Robin Hood was patrolling every day, so keep watch on area by regular walking. Regular walk पे जाता था Robin Hood और patrolling करता था ना, that mean. And synonym of patrols is monitor or watch. That means monitoring करना या watch करना are the same meaning. Then the third one is twigs. Twigs क्या होती है? Branch usually without leaf. एक डंठा टाइप की जो होती है जिसमें क्या नहीं होता है, लीव्स, पत्तियां नहीं होती. तो ट्विग्स मीन्स क्या होता है? ट्विग्स मीन्स ब्रांच यूजुअली विदाउट लीव्स. एंड द सिनोनिम ऑफ ट्विग्स आर स्टेम एंड स्टिक. ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 1 2 3 4 glade. Okay, glade. Next number is glade. Glade means an open space in the forest. An open space in the forest. Okay, an open space in the forest. And synonym of glade is clear and wet land. Glade means clear and wet land, and everybody also learn it, clear and wet land. Next number 5. Next number 5 is dagger. Dagger means a short sword like weapon. A short sword like weapon. And synonym of dagger is blade and cutter. Blade or cutter. Okay, there are some more meaning than 5. I think one is hide. Okay, I will give you in your PDF. Next one is number 7. Next number one is 7. 7 means pretending. Word is difficult. Word is pretending. And meaning of pretending is play act. Play act मतलब बहाना करना. ठीक है, नौटंकी करना, एक्ट करना नहीं. कभी कभी हम लोग बहाने करते हैं, एक्टिंग करते हैं. दैट आर नोन एज प्ले एक्ट, प्रिटेंडिंग. सिनोनिम ऑफ प्ले एक्ट मीन्स ब्लफ. ब्लफ फेक, मतलब झूठी चीज़ें जो होती है, ब्लफ एंड फेक. ओके, नेक्स्ट number 8 is bracken. Bracken means a large fern. F-E-R-N, fern, a large fern. Bracken means a large fern. Synonym of brackens are brushwood or dingle. Brushwood and dingle. Okay, next number 9 horn. Horn means trumpet, जो आवाज़ करता है ना, बजाने वाला बाजा आता. Horn meaning trumpet. Trumpet, synonym of trumpet are snuffer, nostrils. Snuffer, nostrils. And then the 10 number is abide. Abide, meaning of abide, difficult word is abide, and abide meaning is stay. Abide means stay. And synonym of abide is keep to, stand by. Keep to, stand by. Keep to, stand by. Number 11 scrambling. Scrambling means होता है clamber. Scrambling means clamber. Clamber क्या होता है? Crawl and climb. Crawl and climb. Then next is number 12 comical. Comical means होती है यानी funny thing. So comical means funny, मतलब हास्यास्पद, जिसमें आपको हंसी आए. So comical meaning, the meaning of comical is funny, and synonym of comical are humorous and droll. Humorous, droll. Then the next one is 13 clustered. Clustered means gathered. Clustered मतलब चारों तरफ से इकट्ठा हो जाना, घेर लेना. Clustered, gathered. And gathered, synonym of clustered are assemble and huddle. Is assemble and huddle. Number 14 vote. Vote means promised. And synonym of vote are swear, affirm. Next one 15 is wearied. Wearied means overtired. over tire. Wearied means over tire, or we can say synonym wash out, bore. Wash out, bore. So as you can see here are we have seen the difficult words with their meaning and synonym. So today everybody watch the video very carefully and listen all the words and meaning and search Hindi meaning of these all words from your book. So today you all will actually in English, यस हाँ इंग्लिश में इसके हिंदी मीनिंग मैं नहीं लिखवाऊंगी. इफ़ यू वांट टू सर्च देन सर्च फ्रॉम योर डिक्शनरी हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स. सो देन योर चैप्टर विल बी मोर क्लियर, और ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा तो आप इसके हिंदी मीनिंग्स ढूंढेंगे. नाउ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड देयर मीनिंग एंड देयर सिनोनिम, आई थिंक दीज आर क्लियर. ये सारे क्लियर हो गए होंगे. सो टुडे यू ऑल विल रीड. Okay, and tomorrow we will complete our question and answer, then our chapter will be completed. So tomorrow I will provide you PDF of this chapter, and today you all will do your activity in homework. That is clear to you? Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.